everyone, and welcome to my second episode, I think, of CSS, using CSS, sorry, and today we'll be learning a very vital trick that is very useful in mostly every web development project. So what it does is, it's known as the wrapper. Some people call it other things, and I just call it wrapper because it contains everything. And what it does is it centers the website, so you don't have to worry about browser compatibility and different screen sizes, and will it be the same on someone else's screen. So let's see it in action. So if you drag your window to the left, your elements will also stay in the center. It's an absolutely brilliant trick, and it's very, very useful, as I say. So we'll be creating that today, and I'll create a new one. Okay, so you want to start by going to File, then New, and we'll do HTML. Right, so we're going to start by changing our title. This isn't necessary, but it helps, I suppose. So we'll do using CSS wrapper trick Henna's designs. Okay, so while we're in here, we might as well save it. So if you go to Control and S, and we'll save it as index, I suppose. Yep, index. Okay, now we have that saved. We're going to start with our element, and we'll just be using my logo image for the quickness. So we're going to start by doing our div ID wrapper. And we'll end it wrapper. Okay, always keep saving just in case. Tab it just to make it look nice. Okay, now we want our logo div. It's best to keep that in a div than just put it in the image, because if we want this in the center, and if you put the ID on the actual image, the image will also be resized very large, because we're going to be using width 100%, and we do not want that on the image. So now we have that. I'm going to do image logo PNG, and oops, this is what comes up if the image doesn't appear, and end that. Okay, and then we'll end our div, logo div, and logo. These comments here with the exclamation mark, they aren't needed. They're just to remind me which is which. Okay. So if you refresh this, it should come up. Yep, it's up. Okay, that's all we need for our HTML. But really, I doubt you'll be doing exactly the same as me, just putting in an image on your web page. So you'll obviously add a lot more. Okay, but remember, when you're using the wrapper div, you have everything inside the wrapper, not the body, because you need the div on the back body. So this is your main div, and it has everything in it except body and the rest of it. So always remember that. Okay, so before we start on our CSS, we're going to add our link to the CSS document, and we'll do that by that, and we'll do style.css, I suppose, and it will be related to style sheet and type text CSS and media screen. Okay, and then end that, and then save. Okay, so it's saved. Now, this is all we need for our HTML. So we're gonna go to File again, and we're gonna go to New, and we're gonna click on CSS down at the bottom, just below ActionScript and above JavaScript. Gonna double click on that. Now you don't want this rubbish. I always get rid of that. Don't ask why. Right, so remember, divs always start with that icon, and as we're not using any classes, we won't be needing a full stop to start it. So we're using divs. So sorry, IDs. God. Ugh, it's too early. Okay, so ID wrapper. Okay, and all we need for our wrapper is margin. Now this is the best bit, auto, and that's all you need. But we need to put our logo in the middle. So logo. Sorry. Hold on, I'm just gonna save this so it appears as a design so you can see it. Style.css, I think it was. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Okay, yeah. It's there. Great. The width, we want that as 100% to fill the whole document. And then we want, what do we want? Text align, center, and then that should be it, I believe. Let's test. It's always good to, yay, it works, okay. Always good to test, trial and error. Right, so there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Do you want to see it in action? Let's do it. Okay. Oh yeah, brilliant. It works, everyone. So that's enough from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. This has been Henners from hennersdesigns.com. Thank you and goodbye.